Exploring Cloud as a Pioneer by Zoe Turner. Exploring Cloud as a Pioneer. This story is dedicated to all the black children reaching for the stars, for the little black boys flying without bounds, and for the little black girls doing the impossible. All rights reserved. Any references to historical events, real people, or real places are used fictitiously. Names, characters, and places are products of the author's imaginations. Hi, I'm Ronald L. Yancey, the first graduate. I am the first black graduate at Georgia Institute of Technology. At school, the graduate was one of few black men to attend the school. That means I was the first person that looks like me to graduate from this school. This means he faced the common challenge of loneliness and discrimination. That is true. A lot of people were mean to me and discriminated against me along my journey. But I did not let that stop me. Here is my journey walking through Cloud Commons. Hi, I'm Ronald, the first graduate. At school, a lot of people did not talk to me. I usually sat and ate by myself. You're not smart. You won't make it here. That's mean. I am smart, and I will make it here. At school, I met a lot of people who doubted me. That black boy will never make it here. They do not like me because of my skin color, but I will not let it stop my journey. Look at him. Disgusting. They underestimate me and my intelligence. As the graduate walks down the stairs of Cloud Commons, he starts to feel fear. He is fearful of failing. I know it's going to be hard. Let's go. He's not worth our time. But as he is walking along the stairs, he realizes he was chosen to attend school. He was chosen to graduate. I can do it. He felt the pride of his family, his community, and being chosen. Every step the graduate takes fills his heart with inspiration. I will work hard. He worked until his fingers went numb. I will study. He indeed studied. He passed his exams. I will succeed. He succeeded. The graduate graduated in 1965. He became an electronics engineer. The end.